Latest news from JPOW, or the Federal Reserve of the United States of America, tells us that they are still going to hike rates. And what does this mean for the market? Well, it's a pretty bearish signal for both stocks and cryptocurrencies. Now, why do we think we're going to keep going down? Well, it's very simple. Firstly, we can see a very significant downtrend going on in the S&P 500 chart, and if it is still being respected, which we can see it is, we should still expect some more downside as rate hikes are still going on. So until the Fed says, hey, we're going to stop hiking rates right now, the market is going to start pricing that in. But until that happens, we're still going to keep moving down, and my target would be the 3.2k level on the S&P, because that's the next zone of support that we have, and it is also the 61% Fibonacci retracement level from the early times of COVID and all of this stuff happening before. So what we can expect the market to do is to keep moving down right now. So from my side, your side, traders out there, what you can do is wait for a slight retracement into this area and start looking for more short positions targeting the 3.2k level. Peace out. See you guys in the next one.